Okay, we're recording. Hi, Jessica, we're back. We have to talk about something important right now. I know you can't see me, but you can hear me. Hi. Something came up that we're getting stuck with some of this. We're working on numbers 9 and 10 right now from your bass tagging lab. And the question came up, we got stuck, and then there was a kind of a sentiment that was like, that's not okay to get stuck. It is totally okay to get stuck when you're doing math. It is absolutely okay to get stuck when you're doing math. If you never got stuck, think about anything worthwhile in your life. Anything worthwhile in your life. Matthias, I'm going to pick on you for a second.
What's up?
I take it you can cast a fly rod beautifully, because the fish you show me, man, they're gorgeous.
Sure.
First time you picked a fly rod up, you could probably launch that thing 30, 40, 50 feet, couldn't you?
Sure.
No, I'm making this up.
I mean,
the first time you ever picked a fly rod up and tried to cast,
okay.
what happened, Matthias?
You got tangled.
You got tangled. First time I tried to chuck a fly, we got any other fly fisher people in here besides Matthias? We got a couple, yeah? The first time you ever tried to, even casting a fishing rod, not necessarily a fly rod, a fishing rod in general. How many of you ever cast a fishing rod and end up with the hook in your hair? God forbid your cheek. You know, something like that, barbless hooks for very, very good reason.
My dad's.
Yes, exactly. Your dad's, oh God, yeah. You're not good at something immediately. You have to practice and practice and practice and see it in different contexts. Math is exactly the same. It's exactly the same thing. So I wanted to make sure we heard that. You should, just because you can't get math quickly does not mean you're not going to get it. Trust me, if you had to get math quickly, I would not be standing here in front of you because I had to work my ass off to understand math growing up. I was always the last one in elementary school to figure something out. And I usually had to figure it out some other way that was different than everybody else. Does that sound like you? Probably does, right? Probably does sound like a couple of you. And that's awesome. That's totally awesome. That's why I don't make you do it one way in this class. You pick your way. Cool. Want to make sure we heard that. Okay. So Jessica, I'm going to swing this around to the sideboard now, I think, because I want to talk a little bit about these proportions in case we're getting stuck. Okay, I'm going to zoom in on that board above Justin and Connor. You're not on the camera, I'm still looking. So you've got a proportion that you're working on in number 9 and 10, yes? There are 3 things in this proportion that should look identical to the people around you. I'm not sure if that was proper English, but we're going to go with it. What number for everyone should be here?
50.
Okay, I heard lots of hundreds and 150.
I was 150.
That's okay, Ajay, I love that, brother. And did you do 2 samples or just 1 sample?
I did 2.
You did 2 samples. So how many total fish have you sampled?
2.
No, not many tagged fish. How many fish have you caught in the net in total with both of your trials? If you caught 50 in the first net and 50 in the second net, you got 100 fish, yes? Because remember, this number here is the total number of fish you netted in your combined sample. If in case you're forgetting that, look back at the previous page. The big proportion with words in it says that. Total number of fish in your sample. That's why it's all 100 for both of us right now. What number should be right here? Don't answer that question yet until I say in words what it is. This is the total number of tagged fish in the lake. Now tell me what it is.
50.
That's 50, yes. That's 50. Yes. Don't tell me what number is here, but tell me what should be here.
Question mark.
We don't know how many total fish there are. That's the whole point of our statistical experiment, yes? Thank you. This number is going to be different for everybody, because that depends on how many fish you caught that were tagged, and that's going to be different for each person. Did anybody get 10 total? That would be amazing, actually, if we got like 10 or 11. Did anybody get double digits combined? It's possible, right? It is possible. You know there's 50 tagged fish in the lake. I mean, you could have gotten 50 fish in the sample. That would have been crazy. But, okay, good. We probably got numbers like 3 and 4 and 5 and 2. Like, we had a 0. Okay, good. Okay, keep going, and then we're going to regroup in a couple minutes. Actually, keep going and take your 5-minute break, because it's time for a break, too. Yes? So walk out if you need water, if you need coffee, if you need sedatives, whatever it takes to get through this class. Whatever it takes to get through this class. I'm going to pause so Jessica here doesn't hear my stupid